Hi guys, so today I'm not gonna be trading throughout the PM session because I don't see any continuation, and I'll set alerts, but I'm not if it does hit, then I'll of course look for a trade. But for now, I just want to make this video and basically close out. So the intraday today, I'm gonna explain the trades. So this a cup formed, right? A cup always forms in the handle, right? So I'm gonna show you how to draw this up. So right here, right? This can be yellow logo, okay? So this is the handle for the cup, okay? So this cup completed in the handle is right here, and then you can enter at a microstructure like this, right? So a microstructure is gonna always be like this, okay? It's gonna be like that, and then that, and it brings us up, okay? So here is the bigger is that handle, and then we have that green I have to change colors for this, okay? That, then that, okay? That's what we're in, okay? So we've been in the green algo the whole time. Okay, so then we have also another algo, is that okay, it's that blue algo we're in. Okay, alright, so I'm gonna show you guys that blue algo and how it's actually helping the trade. So when we form this cup, we also form another cup here, okay? Another cup here, and then so I'm gonna show you how blue worked in helping that cup. So you grab the liquidity right here, grab the liquidity right here, and then grab the liquidity right here. So the microstructure here is this, right this, like that, and like that, okay? So then it pushed us up to close the cup right here. So you see there's another cup that formed. Then again, what comes after a cup? Another handle. So same exact yellow. Okay, then we can also do this. Okay, so you see how the same thing happened. I'm gonna make it easier. Okay, you see the same thing that happened right here, the red and the green, okay? The same thing happened here, okay? The microstructure was right there. So I'm gonna show it to you right here, and right here, okay? Then we have another blue algo, right? So it formed that right here. So that would be right here, and then so we basically failed to move out of here. So the market wants to create more liquidity. That's totally fine. This looks better for a bigger move when it does that. But if you don't want to get caught here, because again, guess what? It forms another cup, right? Then we would have had another blue algo, then that's what brought us up. So it would have looked like this. So if price, so that's why you don't enter there, right? You enter that when it completes right there in the microstructure at this right here, and then this was the one that was going to bring us up, okay? So you always want to be careful when you're entering positions like these that are not structure defined. You always want to enter, you can enter, but you can enter in small positions, okay? So since we saw that rejection right there to build more liquidity, so then we're gonna look for the next one. So the next one did pop up right here, and then right here, okay? So we can use a blue algo right there, and then we enter right here, okay? Right there, and then it gives us the move all the way up, okay? And that's the pretty much the trades you can take for today in the AM to the 12, yeah, the AM to the PM session basically. So one would be right here, one would be right here, one is right here as well, because you saw that microstructure, so the microstructure right there, right? And then yeah, so if you guys follow along, then the last trade, oh god, just keep erasing. Okay? The last trade would be right here, okay? And that would bring us up. So you have to be patient, as well as identifying the structure and like what's going on. So yeah, okay. Yeah, and then I'm now gonna show you guys the intraday. Oh, sorry, 5 minute and the 30 minute. Okay. So 30 minute. So what's going on in the 30 minute, right? So we dropped. Okay. So another thing, right? We closed that. We closed that cup like I was showing you like a couple videos ago. We closed that cup, right? We closed it. We had that handle, then we broke out of that handle, right? But we just couldn't break out this larger algo, this pink algo, right? We couldn't break out of it, and then we just stuck there. And then today we dropped because of morning news. I believe it was CPI or whatever. Yeah. So then what happened now is we closed the inverse cup, right? Then the handle is forming, okay? So a play here would be to right there. So there'd be another microstructure, so yeah. So it would, then you enter right there and then close the bigger inverse cup right here, right? Then another handle would form, bam, same thing, okay? So that's the 30 minute, and you can see clearly in the 5 minute of this has been there for the whole time. I haven't changed a single thing except adding this, so I can delete it, but I added it because of the liquidity right here. So exact same thing. We were waiting for this to happen, right? So it broke down, then we wait for the exact same structure. If it breaks down right here, then it's gonna go right here all the way down, and then it's gonna build another, so it's gonna go like that as well. So it's gonna go like that again, okay? The price is gonna move down. So price is gonna move down from here, and then do another that, because it closes the inverse cup right here, and then this is the handle, okay? And then it breaks down, and then we're gonna see the the 480 levels that I've been trying to show on the daily. Where's the daily? Okay, 1 second. So the daily chart, we're gonna head down right here to the 480s, which is the target. Okay, if you and then including the dailies, right? I've drawn this like the whole time, the past 3 videos. So we were still in this, so nothing was ever confirmed of being bullish. We were still in that handle. So the next stop is if we so it's gonna go like that, and then we're gonna head all the way down right here, 480 level right here. Yeah, so that's the outlook, and yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. I even do some algos today. All this is all part of it, all of this going on, and you can even put it right there, right? So yeah, Oh yeah, okay, I'm gonna show you intraday how to catch the move if it's going down. Okay, um okay, so then we'll make this red. Okay, so as you can see, this will actually respect it. You see how we maintained within this red. um you see how we maintained within this red the whole time. So this would be the form of resistance and support. This is the bottom is support, the top is resistance. So every time we reach the top, you see we rejected. But if we do open above, then that is a bullish, you know. But then to catch the inverse cup, so if it forms the inverse cup, let me show you how to take that trade. Okay, inverse cup. Okay. Okay, so it'll be like so what would happen is it would ray all the way down, and then the handle, right? So then it would be a microstructure, so it would be like that. Then the handle, bam, that brings us all the way down to 480s right there. So yeah, that's the play. Well, no, it's gonna bring us to the previous lows, which was let me show you. Okay, it's so hard maneuvering everything. It's gonna bring us down to 494 to close the bigger inverse cup. So it's gonna bring us down all the way down here to bring us closer to the inverse cup. Then we're gonna head down to 480s level. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah. Bye bye.